this case is higher than your initial point. So delta y is not 0. But what do we know about this point? What happens for this point in terms of some kinematic quantity?
Velocity becomes 0.
Is velocity is completely 0 or the velocity completely 0 there?
Yeah.
Just y component is 0 here. Okay? Please note that. Velocity is not 0. It's only Vy is 0. V is not 0. If velocity is completely 0, what happens after that? It will goes down like that. Okay, but it wouldn't happen like that. So it still has some x velocity, so it will keep going this way. At this point, Vy equals to 0. That's something we know for this point. Any question here? And by the way, how do you know Vy is 0? If it's not 0, so that means it's not the highest point. It either should still go up or already go down, right? So because the highest point, so it's a turning point for y component, so it has to be 0 in y. And now, very similar to that, you have these three known quantities. You can calculate t, and then you can calculate delta. Is that what we want to ask? No, we're not going to ask delta x. We're going to ask delta y, right? So we don't even need to consider x direction. So we only need to consider y direction. With the three known quantity, we calculate t and delta y. Okay? So the first v naught y, a y, v y, we calculate t. Which equation can be used for that? You can use vy squared equals to v naught y squared plus, you use vy equals to v naught y plus a y t, right? Okay? So what's vy? 0, v naught y, 12. And this is negative 10. You want to find t. So 0 equals 12 minus 10 t. T equals to 1.2 seconds. Okay? And is it just half of the total time? Remember, last problem total time is 2.4. This is 1.2. Yes. It is just half of the total time. Because of symmetry, of course, you will expect the time from here to here should be the same as the time from here to here. Okay. But that's something we know, but we cannot prove here. Okay. And then to get delta y, you know v naught y, okay, a y, and you can use t here if you like, or use vy. So you can use vy to calculate delta y. So in this case, if you use these three known quantities, the equation should be vy squared equals to v naught y squared plus 2ay delta y, right? So vy is 0, so 0 squared equals to v naught y is 12 squared plus 2 times negative 10 delta y. Okay, so 0 to 114, 144 minus 20 delta y. So delta y equals to 144 divided by 20 equals to 7.2 meters. Okay? So that finishes this problem. Any question here?